Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch hand. Begin by drawing a basic block or mitten shape to represent the palm. This foundational step helps establish the hand's overall size and proportion. Next, add a simple thumb shape extending from one side of the palm. Then, draw 4 evenly spaced lines for the fingers, indicating their general length and direction. Now, let's give those fingers some form. Transform the initial lines into more cylindrical shapes, making them appear three-dimensional. Carefully mark the positions of the knuckles and other finger joints. This adds crucial structure. Remember to make each finger taper slightly as it approaches the fingertip, creating a natural and realistic appearance for your sketch. With the basic structure in place, it's time for details. Observe the natural curves and creases that define a hand's unique character. Pay close attention to the length of each finger in proportion to the palm. This is key for realism. Don't forget to sketch in the fingernails and any subtle skin folds, which truly bring your hand sketch to life. For the final touches, let's add some shading. Apply light shading to create depth and volume, making your hand appear more three-dimensional. Use an eraser to carefully clean up any visible construction lines, ensuring a polished look. Finally, add subtle highlights to suggest where light is hitting the hand, enhancing its form and making your sketch truly stand out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.